TAC 39, looks like this call's mapping, probably in the wrong place. This 242 is mainly here at 10th and K, and it's dispersed now.
Check. TAC 39, there might be a second 242 complainant was mapping at 1418K and advised it's behind the cafeteria business. 2 callers on it, both mapping there.
Yeah, check the area then.
Check.
TAC 52, we're going to be out with that 242 in the park of the Park Ultra Lounge. Security's advising one person might have a pistol.
Copy, beepers on.
TAC 32, witness saying one has a pistol. They're running westbound on L Street.
Copy, west. Copy, north mail block is running westbound L Street.
TAC 2, one male black is adult, black mini black switch, westbound L Street, turning northbound 14.
Copy, northbound 14.
Aaron K9.
TAC 32, we have 2 at gunpoint.
Copy, 2 at gunpoint L Street.
TAC 32, they're compliant, they're on their knees, we're going to wait for more.
They got one at gunpoint.
And TAC 32, we're going to be 14th and L.
Copy, 14th and L.
They're on their knees, we're going to wait for more.
TAC 32, the unit's responding. We're facing northbound.
I'll be facing northbound 14th and L Lincoln.
Stay with him, because
Copy,
TAC 39, we have a second one on at gunpoint. We're going to be near the parking lot behind 14th and L.
Copy, and additional at gunpoint.
Ran towards, those are also we're on a police level. TAC 39, he's detained.
TAC 39, copy, your 1.
TAC unit from gang 68. Do you think anything was discarded?
Stand 3 is time. I get a unit over to K and 14th and load magazine. Still looking for the gun. TAC 32, we found one here at 14th now, behind the planter box. TAC 39, our guy kind of hit a dead end, so I'm going to look around and see if he dumped anything. We're closer to the alley between 14th and I think 15th.
Mango Merc units be advised you're not going to have any.
TAC 32, keep up with the beeper. Do we have any outstanding suspects?
Should be 1 outstanding ring of news letter.
TAC 39, that's going to be our guy. That's right, copy. And whoever's nearest the tow truck right here, we need a statement from him. Stop the guy, throw the gun. So that's TAC 37.
TAC 37, Sam 33, can you come back over to 20th and K for me, please?
Turn around. Sam 3, there's a unit available on this call at 14th and L. I need somebody up here to talk to the tow truck driver who's talking to this guard again.
TAC 32.
TAC 32, go ahead.
I'm contacting some witnesses out here who are saying a MBA and a blue hoodie picked up another firearm at the corner of 15th and L Street and got into a gray Toyota sedan and took off southbound 15th Street, unknown plate.
Check.
2 William 34.
2 AM 34, go ahead.
Can you tell me fire code 3 for the male subject we have detained? He says his heart rate and feels like it's getting a beat.
Check.
TAC 32, we found a live round over here at 15th and L.
Copy 1.
Alpha 32, engine 2 is 906.
Check.
TAC 31, go check.
TAC 31, go ahead.
A MBA and a blue hoodie picked up another firearm at the corner of 15th and L Street and got into a gray Toyota sedan and took off southbound 15th Street, unknown plate.
939? Yeah, we are. Go ahead. Hey, witness said that you saw our guy with the gun and then you put it in the black satchel that he was wearing. Did he have a satchel when we got him?
Yeah, he did, but I didn't find one in there. He let me search it.
What does it? I have it over here. The purple grip. Copy, thank you. TAC 31, truck 2.
TAC 31, check.
Sam 33 from TAC 36.
Go for Sam 33.
You good if I collect the firearm?
What was the last?
One, medical aid level 2.
Are you okay if I collect the firearm over here by the alley?
And L Street. Truck
Hang on, I'll come down to you.
1, Operation B3.
TAC 39.
TAC 39, go ahead.
Is there a district officer that has a work phone? I have a witness with video of the 211.
Alpha 32,
TAC 32, what unit was that?
TAC 39. I'm going to be in the parking lot over here by the cafeteria.
Copy, I'm walking over to you.
39?
TAC 32, Sharma from right.
Yeah, go ahead.
P9 reported me over here on L Street. I just found another round.
With the gun, and then you put it in the black satchel that he was wearing.
TAC 39.
Did he have a satchel when we got him?
The subject we have detained is feeling
Yeah, he did, but I didn't find one in there. He left the
Fire department. Please start as the medic to the front of Ultra Lounge, please.
Check.
Tac 39.
Check 39, good.
Any units on this call were of any 211 victims, so we have info that dropped this jewelry. We have those pieces here. So if anyone's made contact with some of us,
Check.
yeah, 3. Anybody with witnesses on this 14th and L call? Anybody with witnesses, can you bring them down to the medic before they transport for a field shot?
134 transporting this other one out riding with us.
Check, is that on truck 2?
Med 1.
Check.
Tac 32, right from Sharma. Go ahead. Hey, were you able to contact that manager at Park to see if you can ID?
And Tac 32 is over here has a good video of the 211.
Check.
Tac 39 from William 33.
Go ahead.
The victim's located at 14th and L.
1 William 33 control.
Go ahead.
Confirming you located the victim of the 211?
Yep, affirm. We'll be at 14th and L Lincoln.
Check. And control to entity units upon the call at 14th and L. Looks like we were able to find a call to 211 that came in with a witness that did not leave their name. No victim information, just a witness.
Tac 36. What time did the original 211 call come out?
The original call, 10 to 15 subjects, and a 242 came out at 1:37. The witness calling in a possible mugging came in at 1:44.
Tac 39, we're at Fire now. I'm driving my guy to 14th and L.
Confirming, cancel the call back to Fire. Ask him to come out again.
Yeah, no one ever checked this guy out. Didn't request him. Sorry.
Or Tac unit that was requested.
It's right.
Check, we'll restart Fire.
Tac 36, what's the call number?
Tac 36, your call number is 73312. Repeating, 733112.
He's not responding to me.
Check 3925 pending on California. Your live video feed, the caller can see 2 males walking around the clubhouse. They're going to be...
31, guard 41, code 4, subject within the property.